third point, that is unemployment, that you have studied in many classes about unemployment and other things. We are going to see here the things like the two types of unemployment, that is seasonal unemployment and disguised unemployment. Seasonal unemployment, we are getting very according to season. If we are getting 5 months job when it is sowing season or harvesting season, according to the agriculture season we are getting job, that is known as seasonal unemployment. And discussed unemployment, we can see different types of discussed unemployment. One type, physically we are able, for example, this is the one, here it is the one plot of land to cultivate. By three people we can do the cultivation activity of this land, but at home we are having 6 members. All 6 members together we are doing the work. Only three people can complete the work, but all 6 members are working there, and means half of their ability they are it is becoming wasted. Half of the ability of the people, it is becoming wasted. That is one type of disguised unemployment. Another one, disguised unemployment means, that is according to our qualification, education qualification, we are not getting job. For example, those who completed postgraduate or a doctorate, they are coming and working in school sector or in primary sector, like that situation. According to their job situation, their qualification, they are not getting job. One of the thing, that is physical ability, then second one is their educational qualification. The different situation we can see that disguise unemployed means, disguise means according to our capacity we are not getting job. According to our capacity, it may be physical, it may be mental, it may be educational, like the different way we are not getting the proper job, like that unemployment is known as disguised unemployment. And seasonal unemployment, they can migrate if the monsoon means if they are depending on monsoon, job started from June, mid of the June to December. Then after December, they can migrate to other some area for in search of work. But disguised unemployment, that 6 people are there at home, they are working together, even though the three people they can complete their work. But the what some area what they are doing, three people they will stay in the village itself, they will work, and other three people they will move to other cities for means for 12 months or means continuously there, and they are in search of job and they are doing work. And because by the land how much they are having, even though all 6 members are working hard work, they can't get enough food from that, enough livelihood from that particular land. That's why what they will do, three people or 2 person or 4 members they will stay here, and other 3 members they will go away in search of job. And and we can see that if there is unemployment, it is really a wastage of manpower. Unemployment, it is really wastage of manpower, as well as people becoming the liability to the economy, because the even though they are having potential, but they are not getting work. Because of that one, what is happening, the people they are feeling with hopelessness in their mind, and they are become despair or with so much of worried they are people becoming. Then we can see in instability of education, because their parents don't have enough job, that's why they are not getting money, so they can't support their family members, especially for education and health of the people. Then, and it is becoming the social waste also, because the people they are, those who can work peacefully and productively, they are not getting work, so they are becoming social waste. Then another one, it is giving a overload to the economy, because there is 100 people they are able to work, but only 30 members they are getting job, and other 70 members they are depending on this 30. So these 30 members, they, how much they are doing, that is they are feeling like that it is overburdened, because all the 70 more than double people they are depending on the, even these people they can, this 70% of the people they can work, but there is no enough job. As well as again 100 people are there, as our grandparents, parents or children, like that, all together it is coming 170 members. Five means 5 times it is increased than the working population, so we can see the overload. Then Another thing, the dependence nature of the unemployed of the working population. The means that people, those who don't have work, they are depending on the working people. They will feel a little much worry and tension because of that. Then the quality of the life, it is going to decrease because the maximum people, they can't support for a good life. And sometimes it is affecting very badly, especially in health issues and education issues. And and we can see because of that, when the health status, it is decreasing. And the school system, many people, they are taking dropouts, we can see, because of unemployment. Then unemployment has a determinant of impact of the overall growth of the economy. When we are going to study in 10th standard, the this one, what we can say, growth rate, that time we can see again the development of economy. In that, another one point what we are going to see, that is the employment opportunities. That is the another one point what we are going to see in 10th standard. So it is continuation chapter. And when we are thinking about India, we can see that the rate of the unemployment, that is very low. And people, they are having work, but they are not getting enough wage. They are getting very low income, very low wage when they are working. Even though government, it is decide more than 300 rupees per day, but many area they are getting 60 rupees, 70 rupees. This is the condition. That's why they can't improve their family life. They can't get the potential income how much they needed, and they can't improve their qualities, their skills, and other things. So what we are saying like that, even though if we are the unemployment rate is very less, but the income how much we are getting from that, that also very less, because the people, they can't sit ideally, because there is no income, they won't get any food, but they can't earn. And we know how, when we are going to the shoe mender, how much we are ready to pay to them, we are not ready to pay. Then the moreover, the employment structure is characterized by self-employment in the primary sector. In the primary sector, agriculture sector, it is self-employment, and the whole family contributes the field. Even though it is disguised employment, then also they are sharing their ability for the primary sector. And that's why, even though how much they are producing, that is not enough to fulfill their stomach. This concept of sharing of work in the field and produce the rise of reduced in the hardship of the unemployment. Even though in the rural area, they are getting all together, they are working, they are even though they are not getting enough income, then also they are not feeling that much problem, because they are sharing their job each other. And but this does not reduce the poverty of the family. So many people, they will migrate from one area to another area. And second thing, thinking about the how much employment we are getting in each and every sector. We know primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Primary sector, it is giving maximum employment opportunities in harvesting time, sowing time, like that. And secondary sector and tertiary sector, secondary sector, little bit less. And if you are making like a graph, we can see like this is the um, primary sector with the green, they are providing here this much percentage. And industries, they are providing this much only. And present day, we can see the tertiary sector, they are also providing better job opportunity, like a teacher, typist, lawyer, like the different opportunities. So nowadays it is increasing. The third sector also, it is increasing. Tertiary sector also increasing. But maximum job opportunities, we are very easily we will get from agriculture sector, because no need of any skilled labor, very less skilled labor only we needed. But these two sectors, secondary and tertiary sector, when we are comparing with these two, we need very highly qualified and talented, skilled people. So what we are discussing, the maximum people, we are getting job opportunities in agriculture sector. And in that, we can see the surplus labor, they are moving to secondary and tertiary sector. If there is surplus labor, then only they will move to secondary and tertiary sector. And tertiary sector, it is manufacturing. They are also observing some of the labors, especially skilled labors. And the tertiary sector nowadays, because of information technology, biochemistry, like that, in different area, we are getting much importance or much help from tertiary sector nowadays, and many people they are getting job there in tertiary sector also. Then it is given in for analysis story of a village. In that, one of the member, he's thinking like that they want to get some of the school, one of the school there in their own village, and for that purpose they started school. And one of the family member, they are sending their children to higher studies out of the village, and he completed their course in agriculture, and he came back and started work here in his own village. And the income of the farmers, it is started to increase. So they started to think like that they want to get a better school there. And some they was ready to send their children to the school. So they approached the panchayat for that, and they recruited one teacher from nearby town, and the teacher came and started to teach the students. Then afterwards, another one person, she starting tailoring. And another she learned tailoring, and she started to make clothes in their village itself. And some of other family members also started with her. So the village people now, they don't want to go out of the village for dress purpose also. They can save that much time, and they can do much work in the agriculture field. And that agriculture work also started to increase, and they started to work according to the theory what they studied from the agriculture university. By this our lesson completed. You can your homeworks. Okay, question number 1 2 3. 1 2 3 you can answer in your notebook. That is your homework. These three questions are your homeworks. Thank you. Have a nice day.